क्या आप उस रोड को जानते हैं जो स्टेशन की ओर जाता है? डू यू नो द रोड दैट लीड्स टू द स्टेशन? डू यू नो द रोड दैट लीड्स टू द स्टेशन? दोबारा कभी मुझसे इस लहजे में बात मत करना। नेवर टॉक टू मी इन दिस टोन अगेन। नेवर टॉक टू मी इन दिस टोन अगेन। मुझे तुम्हारी बात नहीं सुननी चाहिए थी। I should not have listened to you. I should not have listened to you. वह हमेशा मुझे परेशान करता है। He always bugs me. He always bugs me. हमने फैसला किया था हम यह दोबारा नहीं करेंगे। We decided we would not do it again. We decided we would not do it again. मैं आपका ज़्यादा समय नहीं लेना चाहता। I don't want to take up too much of your time. I don't want to take up too much of your time. तुम अपने बारे में बिल्कुल लापरवाह हो। You are quite careless about yourself. You are quite careless about yourself. हम दोबारा फंस गए। We are trapped again. We are trapped again. अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूं तो तुम नेहा हो। If I am not mistaken, you are नेहा। If I am not mistaken, you are नेहा। मैं जवाब लिए बिना नहीं जाऊंगा। I am not living without an answer. I am not living without an answer. तुम मुझे इस तरह से क्यों घूर रहे हो? Why are you staring at me like this? Why are you staring at me like this? मैं इस दुश्मनी को दोस्ती में बदल दूंगा। I will turn this enmity into friendship. I will turn this enmity into friendship. क्या आप मुझे उसके घर ले जा सकते हैं? Can you take me to his house? Can you take me to his house? तुम इसका क्या करने वाले हो? What are you going to do with this? What are you going to do with this? तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती ये काम करते हुए? Are you not ashamed of doing these things? Are you not ashamed of doing these things? वह एक नंबर का बेवकूफ है। He is a stupid of first order. He is a stupid of first order. मेरा ऐसा इरादा नहीं था। Such was not my intention at all. Such was not my intention at all. उसकी शुक्रवार को आने की उम्मीद है। He is expected to come on Friday. He is expected to come on Friday. मैंने यह पहले कहीं सुना है। I have heard this somewhere before. I have heard this somewhere before. तुम जब देखो कुछ ना कुछ उल्टे काम करते हो। You are always up to some mischief. You are always up to some mischief. मैंने वहां जाने का पक्का इरादा किया है। I am determined to go there. I am determined to go there. बाकी सब ठीक है। Rest everything is fine. Rest everything is fine. शादी 5 दिन दूर है। The wedding is only 5 days away. The wedding is only 5 days away. परीक्षा 2 दिन बाद होगी। The examination will take place after 2 days. The examination will take place after 2 days. तुम किस तरह के आदमी हो? What kind of man are you? What kind of man are you? यह तो रोज की बात है। It is an everyday occurrence. It is an everyday occurrence. यह तो सचमुच अच्छी खबर है. This is indeed good news. This is indeed good news. तुम हमेशा यही कहते हो. This is what you always say. This is what you always say. वह पूरा का पूरा बदमाश है. He is out and out a rascal. He is out and out a rascal. आपका काम काबिल तारीफ है. Your work is praiseworthy. Your work is praiseworthy. बच्चा ही तो है. He is but a child. He is but a child. ये भी कोई कहने की बात है. There is no need to mention it. There is no need to mention it. उसे होश आ रहा है. He is regaining consciousness. He is regaining consciousness. ये यहाँ नहीं चलेगा. This won't work here. This won't work here.